Hi everyone, Dennis Foley from Acoustic Fields. Today we're going to talk about lots of little things. Remember, I'm always saying getting good quality sound in a room is the result of doing a lot of little things and in the correct order or sequence. So if we're kind of keeping a table, maybe we look at the room resolution and the gear resolution. That's our starting point. So maybe that's like +3, +4. And then we look at dedicated power lines. Like in this photo here, you can see all the dedicated power lines we ran in one project. That keeps your noise floors lower, okay? You're not having multiple pieces of gear on the same circuit or the same line. And in this picture, you can see the plywood skin that we use inside of our rooms. Great for tone, middle range frequencies. So amplifier, speaker, cable length, that's another one. So you just start, adding these up, and you start to get to our goal. Obviously is 100%. So it's about doing a lot of little things in the correct order. Okay. Remember, the goal, especially in our 2-channel listening rooms and our home theaters, is the gear is supposed to disappear. You're not supposed to see it. So I always kind of chuckle when I see people with 2-channel systems. They have this big, tall equipment rack, like 7 foot high, between the speakers. It's like this erected structure to a god or something. All the equipment on each rack with the lights and everything. And nothing could be less conducive to sound quality than that. Your cable lengths are wrong. You're creating spurious reflections between the two speakers, so not a good idea. If you want to worship gear, well, worship gear. Build a special room, put some gear in it, and go in there and worship. But to really play music correctly, the gear is supposed to disappear. I don't want any lights flashing at me when I'm listening to music. I'm listening, not seeing. Some of these LEDs are blue and yellow and orange. Come on. I know I have to see that the power is on, but can we put it in the back so I can see the glow from the back? Okay, probably not going to happen. So remember, the gear is supposed to disappear. Here's another little thing that people forget about: grounding. You got to ground your whole studio to the earth, not to another structure, to the earth, and that can be done. Copper rod, certain length, it can be done. So lots of little things. Getting good quality sound in a room is about doing a lot of little things, but doing them in the correct order. So obviously you wouldn't put dedicated lines in after the room's built. That's something you want to do first. So you want to plan for all that. Now, each one of these things by himself, not that big of a deal. But when you get a series of them and you start adding them up, now maybe we're +20, 25 here with this part. Okay, and then we go to the low frequency, middle frequency, and high frequency management. Maybe we add another 25. Then we go to barrier technology, noise, add another 15, 20 points. So we build towards that 100%. We build new rooms. I have a checklist of 185 items that have to be done before I even go to the room. Okay, and then I'll find something. But the bottom line is planning, planning, planning. Like in carpentry, measure twice, cut once. Do all your layout. None of this stuff costs that much money, Even with dedicated lines, you can do filters. Plywood is more expensive than drywall, but sounds 3 and 4 times better. So it's worth it. So focus on doing a lot of little things in the correct order in your room, and you'll finally end up, may take some time, with a good quality sounding room. If not, the sound quality that you want, you'll know why. And then we can fix it. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. We also have a newsletter that you can subscribe to, so please do that because we offer special price discounts to only those on our newsletter. And then don't forget about our forum. We have started a forum on our own website where people ask questions, and I usually get a chance every couple of days to look at it. There's an interchange between people on the forum, and we'll give you real answers on a regular basis, so that'll help you. Thank you.